Right, so here in this session we are going to talk about the radio control handling. Now let's understand the test case here. So the test case is, these are the radio controls, BMW, Benz, Honda. Now my test case is, I want to click on this Honda radio control and I want to confirm that it got selected. This is our first test case, first checkpoint. Second is, I will now click on this Benz and now I will confirm that this Benz got selected and Honda got deselected. 2 checkpoints. Okay, let's get started. So let's first create a Java file. So I'll create a class file here, radio control handling. Right, and now let me take these 3 lines. Let me take these 3 lines. Let me take these 3 lines. And let's identify the control. So I want to click on Honda. I want to click on this Honda radio. So I'm inspecting the control. So there is an ID set, right? So let's make use of it. So I'll say web element Honda radio equal to driver dot find element by ID. So we are identifying the radio control and storing the scripting reference. Dot click. So I'm clicking on it. Now what? What next? Once I click on it, I want to check whether it got selected or not. So the same thing what we have already learned with respect to checkbox. So same thing we are going to use here. So Honda is selected. So is selected will return you true if the control is selected. Otherwise it will return as false. So I am just storing here is selected. Any name you can give to your variable, doesn't matter. Now there is a checkpoint here that if is selected equal to true. Then I will say Honda radio control got selected, passed, else failed. Now next, our next checkpoint is, now while this is selected, I want to click on this Benz. Let's do that. So for this there is an ID set, Benz radio. Let's make use of it. So I will say web element Benz radio driver dot find element by ID. Let's store the scripting reference and click on it. So let's click on it. So Benz radio dot click, sorry, should be click. So after I click on it, there are 2 checkpoints here. The first is, the previous one should get deselected. This Honda should get deselected while I click on this, and this should get selected, right? So there are 2 checkpoints here. So I will say here that if I'll take a variable here. So I'll say is Honda. I'm just changing a name because I need one more variable to check the state of our Benz, right? So the same variable I will use to get the status of the Honda radio, and second is for is Benz selected. Right, so we are retrieving the is selected state from our Honda radio and Benz radio. Now what we are expecting, this Honda, this should be false, as now Benz radio is clicked on. So if this is equal to false and Benz selected is equal to true, if this is, then we will say that else passed and failed. So let's give the messages. So I'll say after clicking on Benz radio button got selected and Honda radio button got deselected. And if it doesn't happen like that, then you'll say after clicking, if let's say after clicking on Benz it didn't get selected, or if it gets selected but also the Honda also remains selected. So even if any of the thing happens, we want to say failed. Benz radio correct radio buttons didn't, or I'll say one Benz radio buttons did not work and failed. And now I'll just pause a test in between, thread.sleep. Just when we will run it, you guys will observe what is going on in the execution. So here also I will pause a test for 5 seconds. Now let's run it. So as here, before I run the test, I am just changing this compatibility setting because there is some problem, like the Chrome version what I have is not compatible with the OS what I have. So that's why I just need to keep setting it. I have not yet found out the problem, but you guys don't need to do it. You guys can run the test directly once you are done with writing. So let's observe now. See, Honda got clicked on, it got selected. Now Benz got clicked on and it got selected, and this got deselected. And let's check the status of our both checkpoints. Both are passed. Both the checkpoints you guys can see are passed, right?